This is the easiest way to loosen up the grass and the sod if you want to do a garden. I've already got it loosened up, so I'm cheating, but that's how easy it goes in. Um, the really nice thing about rain is that it softens up the ground enough to where you can really dig into it. And of course, if it's, you can shove it in real easy. How about that? That's how I do it. And then I just let it sit. I do that a few times. This is actually the third or fourth time that I've done this. And it gets the roots up there on a nice dry day. It takes about 3 days to dry out enough to where it's not dust and not mud. And then I can shake the roots, and this will be an onion patch. I let this go this year. So this I'm going to turn into last year I let it go, and this year I'm going to turn it into an onion patch. Sorry about that. I get lost in my thoughts. Anyway, you all have a good day, and I'm going to get back to my gardening. Bye-bye.